In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the myshopify.com URL from your Shopify store. If you've just set up your Shopify store, you'll notice your default address ends with myshopify.com. That's fine for testing, but it doesn't look very professional for real customers. The way to remove that from what people see is to connect a custom domain, like yourstore.com, and set it up directly inside your Shopify dashboard. I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your orders, products, and store overview. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one, because you'll be buying a domain specifically for that store. From the dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This area is where you control the main configuration for your store, including payments, checkout, and of course, domains. When the settings page opens, you'll see a menu of options. In that menu, find and click on Domains. This section controls which web addresses point to your Shopify store and which one is set as the primary domain your customers will see. You'll still see your original myshopify.com address listed there, and that's completely normal. Shopify keeps it as the internal default, but we're going to add a new branded domain on top of it. On the domains page, look for the option that says Buy New Domain and click on it. Shopify allows you to purchase a domain directly through their platform, which keeps everything in one place and automatically connects it to your store so you don't have to worry about manual DNS settings. A new window or page will open where you can search for the domain name you want. Type in your desired name, and Shopify will show you what's available along with different extensions like .com, .store, or .shop. Once you find the domain you like and that is available, click on Buy next to that domain. You'll now be taken to a checkout page inside Shopify. Carefully review the domain name, the pricing, and the billing period. Make sure your payment information is correct, and remember that domains typically renew annually. When you're happy with everything, confirm the purchase by clicking Buy Again to complete the transaction. After a few moments, Shopify will automatically connect this new domain to your store. From your domain settings, you can then set it as your primary domain so that customers see your new, clean URL instead of the My Shop